What happens if your dishwasher lacks a dedicated circuit? Imagine loading your dishwasher, pressing start, and then suddenly the circuit breaker trips. It might seem like a small hiccup, but it's actually a sign of a bigger issue. When your dishwasher doesn't have its own dedicated electrical circuit, a few problems can pop up. Dishwashers usually need a circuit rated for 15 or 20 amps because they draw quite a bit of power during operation. If you share that circuit with other appliances or outlets, the total load can easily go over the limit. This overload causes the circuit breaker to trip repeatedly, cutting power to your dishwasher and sometimes other devices on the same circuit. It's frustrating because it interrupts your chores and can lead to frequent resets. Sharing a circuit also raises safety concerns. Overloaded wiring can get hot, which might damage the insulation and increase the risk of electrical shorts or fires. Since dishwashers are installed near water sources, any electrical fault becomes even more dangerous, risking shocks or damage to nearby plumbing fixtures. From a performance perspective, a shared circuit can cause your dishwasher to work improperly. You might notice incomplete wash cycles, water not heating correctly, or longer cycle times. Over time, this can damage the dishwasher's heating elements and motors, leading to costly repairs. Electrical codes, like the National Electrical Code, generally requiring dishwashers to be on their own circuit. This is to ensure safety and reliable operation. The circuit should be properly grounded and often protected by a ground fault circuit interrupter, especially because dishwashers operate in wet environments. If these rules aren't followed, your installation might fail inspection, and your warranty could be voided. When installing or upgrading a dishwasher, electricians need to make sure the electrical setup meets these standards. They will install a dedicated circuit, usually a 15 or 20 amp circuit with a GFCI outlet, which is a special outlet that cuts power if it detects a ground fault. This makes the whole system safer and easier to troubleshoot. Having a dedicated circuit also makes maintenance simpler because it isolates the dishwasher's electrical system from other appliances. This way, if there's a problem, it's easier to identify and fix. So, if your dishwasher doesn't have its own circuit, you risk frequent breaker trips, safety hazards, poor performance, and code violations. Ensuring it has a properly rated, dedicated circuit is a smart step towards safe, reliable, and efficient operation.